Take the microphone, please, and take permission to enter the classroom. And you come here, please.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. May I come in?
Walaikum assalam. Come in, please.
Thank you.
But you tell me, with whom have you come here today?
I've come here with my brother.
So how have you come here?
I've come here on foot.
Okay, thank you. Please keep
Thank
the
you.
microphone here. Then please go to the classroom. Next one.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. May I come in?
Walaikum assalam. Come in, please.
Thank you, sir.
So with whom have you come here?
I've come here with my father.
Okay, so how have you come here?
I've come here on foot.
Thank you. Please keep the microphone here. Then please go to the classroom. Next one. Take the microphone. Take permission.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. May I come in?
Walaikum assalam. Come in, please. So with whom have you come here?
I've come here with my father.
So how have you come here?
I've come here by bike.
Oh, by bike.
Yes,
Thank you,
sir.
please. Keep the microphone, but it will be here. Tell me here.
Here.
I've come here.
I've come here.
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 Keep the microphone here, please. Thank you. Next one. You have a seat. Take the microphone. Please take permission. Take permission, please. May I come in, sir?
May I come in, sir?
Go back. Go back. Take permission again.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Go back. Keep the microphone here. Go there. Go back. Come again.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Thank you, sir.
So, with whom have you come here today?
I've come here with my father.
Okay, so how have you come here?
I've come here by rickshaw.
Thank you. Please you
Thank
have a
you,
seat.
sir.
Keep the microphone here. Next one, come please.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Oh, thank you.
So, with whom have you come here today?
Yes, sir.
I've asked you that with whom have you come here?
I've come here.
Yeah.
I've come here with my father.
So, how have you come here?
I've come here by rickshaw.
Thank you. Please keep
Thank
the
you,
microphone
sir.
here, please. Thank you. Next one. So,
Assalamu alaikum, sir. May I come in?
oh, are you Muslim?
No, sir.
So, good afternoon, sir. May I come in?
Good afternoon, sir. May I come in?
Yes, come in, please.
Thank you, sir.
So, with whom have you come here?
I've come here with my cousins.
Oh, with your cousins.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen your two cousins. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how have you come here?
I've come here by rickshaw.
That's great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a seat. Next one, please.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. May
Walaikum
I?
assalam. Yes, come in, please. So, with whom have you come here?
I've come here with my father.
So, how have you come here?
Sir, I've come here on foot.
Thank you. Please keep the microphone here. Please, next one. Hello.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. Come in, please.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Please. With whom have you come here?
I've come here with my father.
So, how have you come here today?
I have come here today on foot.
Okay, thank you. I know that your maybe house is beside our office. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Keep the microphone here. Next one, please. Take the
Thank you,
microphone. Thank you.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Thank you,
So,
sir.
with whom have you come here?
I've come here with my grandfather.
Oh, do you have grandfather?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means you're lucky. So, how have you come here?
I have come here on foot.
Okay, thank you. Please, you
Thank
keep the
you, sir.
microphone here. Next one, come in, please. Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum
May I
assalam.
come in?
Come in, please. So,
Okay.
with whom have you come today?
I have come here today with my mother.
That's great. So, how have you come here?
I have come here by rickshaw.
Thank you. Please
Okay,
keep the
thank
microphone here. Have a seat, please. Thank you. Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. May I come in?
Walaikum assalam. Come in, please.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, with whom have you come here today?
I've come here alone.
Alone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, how have you come here?
I've come here on foot.
Okay. Thank you. Please keep the microphone here.
Thank you, sir.
Then have a seat. Next student, come.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. May I come
Walaikum
in?
assalam. Come in, please. Please maintain social distance. Go back, everyone, please. Maintain social distance. Okay. Please. Please come in. So, with whom have you come today?
I have come here alone.
Alone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, How have you come here?
I have come here on foot.
On foot.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Please keep the
Thank you,
microphone
sir.
here. Have a seat. Next one, come. You come.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
May I come in, sir?
Sure, please come in. So, with whom have you come today? With whom
I'm
have you come today?
coming with my mother.
Tell me again. With whom have you come today?
I'm coming with my
Is it I'm
mother.
coming or I've come?
I've come
No, tell.
with
Go
my
back. Keep
mother.
the microphone here. Go back. Maintain social distance. Come again, please.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. May I
Walaikum
come in?
assalam. Yes, coming, please. So, with whom have you come today?
I have come here with my mother.
Good. So, how have you come today?
I have come today on foot.
On foot. Maybe by rickshaw.
Rickshaw.
So, tell me how to answer.
I have come today
By.
by rickshaw.
So, naughty boy. That's sorry. Please keep the microphone here. Thank you. Next one, come please. Come first.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. May I
Walaikum
come in?
assalam. Come in, please. So, how have you come today?
I've come here with my mother.
But you have to understand my question first. I've asked you that how have you come? Okay. How have you come today?
I've come here by rickshaw. Rickshaw is my favorite vehicle
Favorite vehicle.
because I like to travel by rickshaw.
So, with whom have you come today?
I've come here with my mother.
With your mother.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Please keep the microphone here. Thank you. Next one, come. Yeah.
Sir, may I come in, sir?
Please come in. So, with whom have you come today?
I have my ma.
Tell me.
I have come here my mother's.
No, I've come here with my mother.
I have come here with my mother.
So, how have you come today?
I have come today by rickshaw.
Thank you. Please keep the microphone here. Thank you. Practice more and more, okay?
Assalamu alaikum, may I come in?
Yes, please. Sorry. You sit here, please.
Sir, assalamu alaikum, may I come in?
Walaikum assalam. Please come in.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
with whom have you come today?
I've come today with my sister.
Arshia.
Yes, sir.
So, how have you come?
I've come here on foot.
Thank you. Keep the
Thank you,
microphone
sir.
here, please. Next one.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. May I come in?
Walaikum assalam. Come in. But are you student of English Heaven?
Yes, sir.
So, where's your ID card?
Sir, my ID card is at home.
So, why don't you bring your ID card?
I'm from coaching.
Oh, are you from coaching?
Yes,
Then
sir.
you're coming from coaching.
Yes, sir.
But after all, from the next class, you have to bring ID card. Okay? Keep in
Okay,
mind.
yes,
So, with whom have you come today?
I've come with alone.
With alone? Is it with alone? So, how have you come today?
Sir, I've come here alone.
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 So, how have you come today?
I've come here on foot.
Thank you. Keep the microphone here. Okay, last student, please take the microphone.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. May I
Walaikum
come in?
assalam. Come in, please. So, with whom have you come today?
I've come here with my uncle.
Okay, so how have you come today?
I have come here by rickshaw.
Thank you, please, everyone. Clap for today's class. Thank you very much. Wow, that's great. Thank you. So, every day I'll ask you, with whom have you come today? And you have to answer, sir, I've come with my father, I've come with my mother, I've come with my friend, I've come with my brother, I've come with my teacher, I've come with my sister, and I've come alone. Okay? Then I'll also ask you that, how have you come today? Sir, I've come on foot, I've come by rickshaw, I've come by car. Have you got me? Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Okay, today's class is over right here right now, and I'll give you one new sheet today. Thank you very much.